This is my Casio Commando. As you can see, it's almost taken apart, so I'll try my best to explain to you how I got this far. The reason why I'm making this video is because I searched on YouTube. There is no tutorial how to change the display, the screen, the LCD. I also searched Google, I couldn't find anything. So it's not gonna be a professional video or anything, it's just an idea to give you an idea how you can replace the screen. I'm not gonna explain to you, not gonna tell you which screwdriver to use, because if you can't figure out by yourself, then just don't waste your time, don't watch the video, find someone else to change the screen for you. I unscrewed these 4 screws at the back, 2 on the front, and then I started taking it apart. I started from here. It's the easiest way. Just pop this up around the corner, here and here, and then just work my way around. This came out pretty easily. I went on the back. This was not that easy. I used 2 screwdrivers. I slide in one from here, try to loosen up a little bit, and then with the other screwdriver from the corner I popped it up and then around. It has a sticky part, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so there's adhesive here and here. So I took this part away, and then I continued with this. And this one, this one is attached with 2 screws, one here, and 2 on the other side, one here, one here. I unscrew them and it came out pretty easily. The hardest part with this it's inside here, beneath this. It's inside, so I lift it up from this side. I lift it up, and then with a screwdriver here just loosen it up a little bit and then slide it this way. So again, lift up from this side, little help with the screwdriver, and then slide it out this way. I got to the motherboard. I unscrew the screws. You'll find them, I don't know how many of them. And then you have 3 ribbons that you need to disconnect. That's 1, 2, 3. This one at the bottom, you don't have to disconnect it. So after I disconnect the ribbons, I lift it up from this side, and then the charge port is a little bit inside, so I need to go a little bit this way. So I need to go like this, and then just slide it out this way, because the microphone is stuck inside. Before that, you need to disconnect these 2 as well. This and this, I don't know if you can see them. They're really easy to disconnect, just pop them up, simple. After that, I use a hair dryer, heat it up on the side, heat it up really good, and then I pushed with a screwdriver from here where the sensors are, just so that it can give me a space to work. After that, use screwdriver and took out the screen. Okay. So it's clean. The adhesive is only on the side, so you can pull as hard as you want. You're not gonna damage anything. This one is also already damaged, so this is garbage. And I think that's all. There's this rubber gasket, or I don't know how is it called. You're gonna find it somewhere inside. Be prepared. The button's gonna fall out during the process. The caps, they're gonna fall out. Once again, it's just an idea to give you what to expect. There are no hidden ribbons or anything beneath, so you just need to be careful here with these two. They're kind of hard to see during the process. I don't know what else could be risky. Just be careful.